Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We have been looking at simplified topics in mathematics for grade 10. Actually, in Nigeria, we refer to grade 10 as well. Some of us call it XS1. So we have been looking at some series of topics step by step, mathematics made simple. Recall that we look at triangle and its types. We look at the proof that the sum of angle on a triangle is 180 and the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. We also look at similar triangles, congruent triangle, and then we look at parallelogram and quadrilaterals, the properties of parallelograms and related quadrilaterals. We look at one of the major proof, we prove one of the major theorem in parallelogram, which is parallelogram on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. So today we are going to look at polygons. Have you heard the name polygons before? Okay, I know you might have come across it in your primary school, your grade 1, grade 2, lower primary or upper primary. You might have heard the name polygons. So, if I may ask you, what are polygons? Okay, nice try. Okay, beautiful try out there by you. That is what is said about polygon. We are going to give you what polygon is all about, and then we see a lot of things under this. We are going to look at how you can identify polygons around you, and then how you can calculate the interior and exterior angles of a polygon respectively, and then you can solve. The most important aspect of this today is how you can solve real-life problems involving polygons. Okay, here, these are the various types of polygon. Now remember, we have regular and irregular polygon. As you can see on the screen, regular polygon has all the sides equal and also all the interior angles are all equal. But irregular polygon, as the name implies, they are not equal. As you can see, under the regular polygon, we have triangles that are regular, we have quadrilateral like the square, and we have the pentagon, we have the hexagon, we have the octagon. They all have the regular kind and what the irregular type. So these are what types of polygon. Now let's look at the interior and the exterior angle of a polygon. As you can see on the diagram, marked differently, this is the exterior angle and this is the interior angle. So now you can identify interior and exterior angle. Now I want you to tell me something. What is the relationship between interior and exterior angle, as you can see on the screen? Nice try. Okay, look at it. External or exterior angle plus interior angle equal 180. Did you know why? Good guys. Because they are angles on a straight line. If you, in any polygon, if you extend the line just like this, if you extend this line, you have them interior and exterior form angles on a straight line. So interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180. Please don't forget this. Interior angle plus exterior angle equal to 180. Remember this. In any regular polygon, interior angle plus exterior angle equal 180. So we'll be dealing with regular polygon in this. Now, if you slide up a heptagon on its diagonals from one vertex, you get 5 triangles. You see that? As you can see on the screen. And that means, what is the sum of angle in a triangle? We all know it's 180. So 5 triangles times 180 will give you the whole interior angle of a heptagon, which is what? 900 degrees. Wow! Is that how we get the total sum of interior angle of a regular polygon? Don't worry, I will show you something. But what did you notice here? The polygon, heptagon, is actually a polygon with a regular polygon with 7 sides. But you discovered that when we cut it, just like you can see on the screen, you will have 5 triangles. Yes, and that means if a polygon has 5 sides, we can cut it into 3 triangles. The next slide will show you how you can obtain the number of triangles from a regular polygon with n sides, n number of sides actually. Boom! Here is it. As you can see on the table, there is a unique pattern. Watch this. Number of sides, and then we have number of name of polygons, and then we have number of triangles, and then we have the sum of the interior angles. So the first one is triangle. Triangle has what? 3 sides. So 3 minus 2, you have 1. 1 times 180, the sum of the interior angle is 180. Quadrilateral, don't forget that quadrilateral is also triangle. It's also polygon. So 4 minus 2 equal what? 2. And then 2 times 180. So this gives you, so to get the number of triangles in any given regular polygon is simply subtract 2 from the number of sides. You will get the number of triangles in that polygon. As you can see, we are up to n side. What is the number of triangle? Is n minus 2 triangles. So what should you think will be the sum of the interior angle of n-sided polygon? It is n minus 2 times 180. Take note of this, very important. Take note of that. So you can see, and I know some of you are familiar with triangle up to decagon. So from 11, we have undecagon, we have dodecagon, we have tridecagon, we have tetradecagon, we have pentadecagon, we have hexadecagon, we have heptadecagon, we have octadecagon, we have nonadecagon, and then we have icosagon. So please take note of the pattern in this table. As we proceed to see, is there a general formula to calculate the sum of the interior angle of a polygon? And I'll say yes. The general formula is this. The general formula is this. Some textbook will break it down more, and they will tell you it is 2n minus 4 right angle. It is 2n minus 4 right angle. It is still correct. And if you say n minus 2 times 180 degree is still correct. Remember, n stands for what? The number of sides of that regular polygon, the number of sides of that regular polygon. Okay. Now, from that table, what is the value of n according to the problem given here? The sum of the interior angles of a polygon of n sides is 900 degrees. Find the value of n. Let's go. First of all, on that table, we had a general pattern. So the sum of interior angles of n-sided polygon is n minus 2 times 180 degrees. And the sum has been given to us to be 900 degrees. So all we need to do is to take n minus 2 times 180 and equate it to 900 degrees. Then the next thing is to divide both sides by 180 degrees. And when you do that, 900 divided by 180, you have 5. So now we have n minus 2 equal 5. What do we do to get the value of n? Just take 2 to the other side. We call it correct like terms. And then 5 plus 2, you have 7. So the number of sides is what? 7. So the value of n is what? 7. As simple as that. Now, let's look at something very important. It's actually a theorem, but don't worry, I'm not going to bother you to prove this theory, but we're just going to state it and then look at it in a general term. The sum of the interior angles of any n-sided convex polygon is n minus 2 times 180 degrees, or 2n minus 4 right angles. Remember, right angle means 90 degrees. Right angle means 90 degrees. Now, if you look at the diagram here, we have a given polygon with n number of sides. So what we're trying to say is that the sum of all the angles, the sum of all the interior angles, this, up to what? N number of sides. That means infinity. N can be 200, n can be 300, whatever is the value of n. The sum of this interior triangle is given by what? N minus 2 times 180 degrees. It stands for all other, any form of regular polygon. Remember, any form of regular polygon. Don't forget this. Any form of regular polygon. So if I'm given a convex polygon with convex polygon n1, n2, n3 up to A1, A2, A3 up to AN with n number of sides, it can be shown that the sum of the interior angle is given by what? N minus 2 times 180 degrees. So don't forget this. Okay, let's look at the exterior angle. Exterior angle of a convex polygon. You know, we'll talk about convex shape polygon. So once again, look at the exterior. This is the exterior. This is the exterior, and then the interior. We want to talk about the interior now. So you can see the exterior, all the angle mark blue is what? The exterior angle. So what is the sum of exterior angle of any regular convex polygon? Remember, for you to get the exterior angle of a polygon, you need to extend the vertex, draw a straight line like this, and then you have the exterior. Okay, let's look at it clearly. Look at the figure here. Angle A, B, C, D, E are all exterior angles. Take note, they are all exterior angle of this convex pentagon. See, convex pentagon. So let's see what is the sum of the exterior angles. Theorem. The sum of the exterior angles of a convex polygon is 4 right angles. What do we mean by 4 right angles? That is to say 360 degrees. 4 right angle means 360 degrees. 4 right angle means 360 degrees. Now, take note of what I said earlier, that exterior plus interior angle equal what? 180. So we are going to use that to prove this. Simple. Exterior angle plus interior angle is equal to 180 degrees. Now, so for polygon with n sides, we are going to have all the sum of the exterior angle to be x1, x2, x3, up to xn. And we already know that the sum of interior angle is what? As you can see on the screen, a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus is given by what? N minus 2 times what? 180. So we can combine this. We can combine this by saying E plus I, because we know that exterior angle plus interior angle will give you 180 degrees. So if there are so many exterior angles, just like there are so many interior angles of a given convex polygon. If you add all the exterior angles and you add all the interior angles, they should give you so many 180 degrees. So here, since we are dealing with n-sided, we now say it is n times 180 degrees. So take I to the other side, and I is what? N minus 2 times what? 180 degrees. Don't forget that. I is 1 minus 2 times 180 degrees, as you can see there. Then substituting the value, the sum of interior angle is n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Like I say, when you substitute this value for I, open the bracket. Remember to take note of this minus sign. N times 180 minus 2 times 180, you will have this. Now, n minus times n is minus n. Take note of that. That is minus times n, 180 times n times minus is minus 180n. That's what you can see here. And minus times minus 2 is plus 2. Plus 2 times 180, which is what you see here. Now I want you to look at this and look at this carefully. N times 180 minus n times 180. This, we cancel this. Let me show you that briefly. You can pause this video, replay this video over and over again. You will be amazed how great you will understand this. Look at this. This, the whole of this, minus the whole of this, cancel out. So this cancel out this. So you are left with what? 2. You are left with just this. 2 times 180, which is actually 360 degrees. So with this simple step, I have shown you that the sum of any exterior angles of any n-convex sided polygon is 360 degrees. As you can see, it's just a simple proof. Now, if you want to solve problem in Polygon, I'm going to give you the summary of all the formulas you need. I want you to take note of that. The summary of all the formula that you need. So the sum of all the exterior angle of a polygon is 360 degrees. Whether the polygon is a quadrilateral, is a pentagon, is what? 360 degrees. Okay, let's get the summary of what you need. I want you to be armed with it. Sum of interior angle is n minus 2 times 180 degrees, or 2n minus 4 right angles. Whichever one is still correct. Sum of exterior angle is equal to what? 360 degrees, or 4 right angles. 4 right angles means 4 times 90 degrees. Interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degrees. For a regular polygon, take note of this. Each exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees divided by n. N is actually the number of sides. Oh, that's good. This is what you need to take note of. This is what you need to have whenever you are dealing with any problem involving regular polygons. So you need to know this by heart, because you're going to apply this in almost all the cases or the problem involving regular polygon. Okay, now we are going to solve some problem for you to see how we apply this principle. In the figure below, find the angles. So this is actually glaring. You have to find x before you find the various angles, 2x and x. They are all exterior angles. And from the previous slide, you have learned that the sum of exterior angle of all regular polygon is what? 360. So you simply say 91 plus 79 plus 85 plus 2x plus x should give you 360 degrees. So just a simple algebra, and when you do that, if you divide both side by 3, you will have your x to be 35. So this side is 35, as you can see, and 2 times 35 will give you 70 degrees. Okay, let's look at problem 3. Sorry, you can correct the problem. The sum of the interior angle of n-sided convex polygon is double the sum of the exterior angles. Calculate the value of n. Okay, are you ready for me? And please, once again, you can pause this video. You can play it over and over again. You will be amazed how you will grab a whole lot of things in this topic. Now, sum of interior angle is n minus 2 times 180 degrees. And then sum of exterior angle is what? 160 degrees. And here the question saying the sum of the interior angles of an n-sided convex polygon is double the sum. Double means twice. Double means 2 times. You can see that? That means n minus 2 times 180 degrees is equals to 2. Double of what? 360 degrees. So here you can now solve simple algebra by opening bracket here, and 2 times 360 degrees will give you 720 degrees. Here then you collect like things, 180n equal what? 720 degrees plus 360 degrees equals square. Minus 360 crosses the equal sign, becomes what? Plus. And recall that 180 times n is 180n. 180 degrees times minus 2, you have minus 360 degrees. So when you add 720 plus 360, you will have 1080 degrees. So now you divide both sides by 180 to have n be what? 6. So the value of n is 6. Let's look at another problem. The regular polygon has angles of 150 degrees each. How many sides has the polygon? The regular polygon has angles of 180 each. This 180 degree each, sorry, 150 degrees, sorry. You know, math is so sweet, so sometimes we can just do something like this. Okay, a regular polygon has angles of 150 degrees each. How many sides has the polygon? Okay, let's go. Each exterior angle is 360 degrees. Divide by what? N, which is actually the number of sides. So, what we need to do is to get each exterior angle. Then we equate it to 360 degrees over n, cross multiply, divide both sides, and then we get the value of n. So simple. So we all know that interior angle plus exterior angle will give us 180 degrees. And now each interior angle is 150 degrees. Plus exterior angle is equal to 180. So we know that each exterior angle is 30 degrees. So go and substitute 30 degrees for exterior angle. So 30 degrees is equal to what? 360 degrees divided by n. Next, cross multiply, you have 30 degrees, n equals to 360 degrees. So you divide both sides by n, and then you have n to be what? 12 sides. So simple. N is 12 sides. Okay, so let's look at real life application. Onyebuchi is a painter. He is using a canvas that is in the shape of a regular hexagon. You remember? Hexagon has how many sides? 6. Correct. Hexagon has 6 sides. The perimeter of the canvas is 78 centimeters. The perpendicular distance from a side to the center is 11 centimeters. So, to the nearest centimeter, based on these measurements, what is the area of the canvas? Let us analyze this question. Onyabuchi is using a regular hexagon. Now, the regular hexagon has 6 equal sides. 6 equal sides. So if the perimeter of the canvas, which is a regular hexagon, is 78 centimeters, how do we get the number of sides? Correct. 78 divided by 6. And then you get the number of sides to be 13 centimeters. Take note that the perpendicular distance from a side to the center is 11 centimeters. So come with me, let's see how we scatter this question together. Solution. In maths, we always provide solution because we believe that for every problem, there exists a solution. Okay, note that, just like I say, regular hexagon has 6 equal sides, and we can construct 6 equal triangles as shown in the figure below. Therefore, if the perimeter is 78 centimeters, then the length of a side is 78 divided by 6, which is what? 13 centimeters. You can see that using, here is the shape of the regular hexagon. So that means each side is what? 13 centimeters, each side. So if you add 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13, you have 78, which is a perimeter. Now, the question says, a line from the center of the canvas, the regular hexagon canvas, to meet a side is what? 11 centimeters. Look at this, 11 centimeters. It means that, I want you to get this very clearly. It means that since it is a regular hexagon, the lines are equal for all the triangle formed in this figure. You can see they are all equal. They are all 11 centimeters. If you want to draw it, they are all 11 centimeters. So what do you think? How do we get this area? All we need to do is to find the area of one of these triangles and multiply it by the number of triangles. And the length of a side given here becomes the base of the triangle, and the distance of a side from the center becomes the height of the triangle. And the area of a triangle is half base times height. And here we have up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles. So all we need to do to get this area is half base times height times 6 times the number of triangles. Very simple. Okay. So now that you've gotten the detail of how to solve this problem, I want to see if you arrive at the answer before me. Now, the perpendicular distance from a side to the center, which is also the height of one of the triangles, is 11 centimeters. Just like I explained earlier. Now, area of hexagonal canvas now becomes half base times height times the number of what? The triangle in the hexagonal canvas, as you can see on the screen. So we have this, which is 6 triangles. So half base times 6. B is a base, H is what? Height. The base is 13 centimeters. The height here in this case is 11. Slot in your values. We have the area of the hexagonal canvas to be what? Half times 13 times 6 times 11. Now, 2 into 6, you have 3. 2 into 6, we have 3. So the next line, we are going to have 13 times 11 times 3. Because through here, 2 into this set is 1, 2 into 6 is 3. So we are left with 3 times 11 times 13, actually times 1, but it's not necessary. So when you multiply this out, you will have the area of hexagonal canvas with 429 cm squared. Step by step, mathematics make Simple. So right now, you are going to try something on your own. Classwork. I know you guys can do this. Okay, irregular polygon has angles of size 135 degrees each. How many sides has the polygon? Remember, we've done something like this before. Show that the area of a regular hexagon is given by 3 root 3 over 2 L squared times L squared, where L is the side of the hexagon. So you can use the previous problem to arrive at this. Don't forget that. You can use the problem. Just try. Remember, a regular hexagon has what? 6 equal sides. Don't forget that it has what? 6 equal sides. I don't want you to forget that it has what? 6 equal sides. So I want you to try out, get the diagram, and then show that the area is actually equal to 3 whole number, 3 root 3 over 2 times L squared, where L is the number of sides. Okay, guys, I'm waiting for you to finish this, and don't worry, I'm going to guide you. I'm going to show you what to do and how to arrive at the correct answer. Okay, you want me to show you that? Okay, let me show you. Let me show you something. I hope you can get. We can get a regular hexagon from this shape. I don't know. We can get that. Okay, guys, you can try that and then leave your comment in the comment section below. And remember to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe there, and then remember to click the bell so that you don't miss any of my subsequent wonderful video. Remember to like this video and drop your comment. If you have issue with the classwork given to you, make sure you send me questions, send me your challenges using my WhatsApp channel. My WhatsApp line is in the description. I believe you enjoy this video, and we are going to have a great time together if you make sure you subscribe to this channel. Please remember to share this video to your friends. Someone may be having some challenges in some of these topics. Please share this video with your friends, and you will definitely be doing them good. Thank you very much for your time and for watching this video. Okay, before I leave you, I'd like to say that today we look at what? Polygon. And then we look at how to identify various polygons, the number of triangles in a given irregular polygons. And then we look at the sum of the interior angle as well as the sum of the exterior angles, and then we apply this to solve some problems. The next slide is actually your home form. Please take the time to attend this, and then remember, we will still interact in our WhatsApp platform whenever you are having any challenge. Remember to pause this video, replay this video, go over it over and over again, and then you will be amazed how you will grasp this important, well simplified lesson. Thank you once again. Please drop a comment and like the video. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. See you in the next video. God bless you. I say, God bless you. God bless you.